Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan. Welcome back to the Forge. In this episode, trust me, I'm a blacksmith. I make a new hammer eye drift. This is my old drift. It's still working fine. It's a bit tatty, it does need dressing, but it is working. That's the main thing. I need a slightly different profile for the eye to make the new style of hammers. I've got a couple of projects coming up that are going to involve this drift. I'm really excited about it because it came out lovely. Warning, I used a power hammer to make this. You can make this with the Smith & Striker. It is a bit of a struggle. I will show you in detail how to make this, and so enjoy the video and I will see you on the other side. Right, if you'd like to get your hands on a drift just like this and a very special punch that I'm going to end up making in the next couple of days that have a very special material, if it turns up, you can win one of these by entering a competition. But you will have to find out the details of the competition at the end of the video, but something's going to happen in the video that you need to look out for. So, watch the video, see me on the other side, and I will tell you how to get your hands on these. I've just drawn out this piece of fork truck tines of 25mm square, and it's about 300mm long. That's inch square by about a foot. It's just under a foot. Now, I don't necessarily think I need this much material, but because I've got the power hammer, I can make this much material. It doesn't really matter. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it into an inch octagon or 25 octagon. So I'm going to take all the corners off now. So I'm going to get rid of that. I really need to make myself a slightly larger pair of tongs because holding this 25 in this set of tongs, which is set up to hold probably between 20 mil and 10 properly, with a clip is doing me no favours. So at some point I will, but to overcome this problem while I'm making this round, I forged a 20mm square shank on the back. This is eventually going to become the handle, I hope. Hopefully I'm not too long, but this is now going to become round, so I'm going to start forging this round now. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw down a handle. On my original one it's a bit short. I'm going to make my new handle ever so slightly longer, and then we're going to draw this end down to a taper. So I'm going to do that now. So the bar, when it was round, was 333 millimeters by 25 millimeters round, and it was 11 inches and 1/4 in total length at an inch round. That was with that little nub on the end. Now, I've got 11 and a half inches to here, and this works out about 6 inches, and that's about 11 and a half. Now the next job to do is to flatten off from about here down just to where it starts to become the 25 millimeter round. I'm just going to flatten that down and bring that flat down all the way to the end, and hopefully this time I'll end up with a slightly fatter around this area here. I'll end up with a slightly fatter cross section than the drift that the current drift that I'm using, and that will in turn just make my hammers swell out a little bit more in the eye. And then when I come to forge the cheeks, I'm hoping that's going to give me those nice big round cheeks for this special hammer that I am trying to make. Right, this is still hot. I'm going to get this in the fire. I'm going to squish this end down and get it looking real dapper. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. This turned out, whoa, it's alive. This turned out lovely. It's absolutely fabulous bit of kit, nice and long. I'm really going to enjoy using a slightly longer one. Yeah, it's been really, really good to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, this isn't necessarily the easiest thing to make. It takes a lot of brute force, really. It takes some skill, but it also takes some brute force. So yeah, now I did mention about winning this lovely thing. Well, not this one, but the one I'm going to make for you. And also perhaps if it works, I'm going to make you guys the thing that I'm going to make anyway, but it might not be the greatest thing in the world. I'm going to try and use a super special material, and hopefully if it works, they are going to be the punches I'm going to use from now on. If you want to win this, you have to tell me in the comments down below the number of times I went in and out of the green door on my kitchen / toilet. Count those. 1 is going in, 2 is coming out. So if you count every time I go in and then out, that will be the number of times. Put that in the comments. I will pick a winner, and that person will win this and hopefully a really cool piece of kit that's going to be amazing if it works, but I'm not 100% sure if it's going to work just yet. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. I've had a great day today. I've got loads done and this is absolutely gorgeous. So thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you are a subscriber, remember there's that little bell next to the subscribe button. Press that and turn on notifications. It'll tell you every time I make a video. That really, really helps, by the way. Also, chuck some comments down below, tell me what you thought of the video. Obviously tell me how many times I went in and out of that green door. I'm really stoked to find out what you guys put up for answers, and I will pick a winner soon. Soon. Yeah, I think that's about everything. So thank you for joining me. I will chuck a link up here to a video where I made a scrolling dog. You'll see that in anger shortly. I will chuck a video down here to me making some rivets. This is my Patreon. Go and click on that and pledge. And also, this is the button to subscribe as well. Thank you for joining me, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.